I rise into every new day with strength, purpose, and intention. I rise into every new day with strength, purpose, and intention. I'm expanding into the fullest version of who I'm meant to be. I'm expanding into the fullest version of who I'm meant to be. My energy attracts opportunities that match my growth. My energy attracts opportunities that match my growth. I make powerful decisions that support my higher self. I make powerful decisions that support my higher self. I walk forward with clarity, confidence, and inner fire. I walk forward with clarity, confidence, and inner fire. My life moves in the direction I choose, and I choose progress. My life moves in the direction I choose, and I choose progress. I carry a mindset that opens doors wherever I go. I carry a mindset that opens doors wherever I go. I transform every moment into momentum. I transform every moment into momentum. I stand tall in my power, grounded and unshakable. I stand tall in my power, grounded and unshakable. I create my reality with boldness and determination. I create my reality with boldness and determination. I am aligned with abundance, strength, and purpose. I am aligned with abundance, strength, and purpose. My growth is constant, natural, and limitless. My growth is constant, natural, and limitless. I move with calm, confidence, and strong intention. I move with calm confidence and strong intention. I trust my path because I'm the one designing it. I trust my path because I'm the one designing it. I elevate my thoughts, actions, and energy every single day. I elevate my thoughts, actions, and energy every single day. I attract clarity, breakthroughs, and expansion. I attract clarity, breakthroughs, and expansion. I show up for myself with discipline and pride. I show up for myself with discipline and pride. My potential is unfolding in powerful ways. My potential is unfolding in powerful ways. I step into new chapters with courage and excitement. I step into new chapters with courage and excitement. Everything I do is guided by strength and self-belief. Everything I do is guided by strength and self-belief. My momentum increases with every action I take. My momentum increases with every action I take. I'm building a life that reflects my power and purpose. I am building a life that reflects my power and purpose. I speak truth, confidence, and greatness into my life. I speak truth, confidence, and greatness into my life. I grow, I rise, I lead with intention and strength. I grow, I rise, and I lead with intention and strength. Every part of me is evolving into something extraordinary. Every part of me is evolving into something extraordinary.